simulado. Dúirt mo bhá mi hain. Bígad deas agus bídeá bhéis up ná bí gadíocht ar an train. Taxi! Boom! Beat to him phone, not loud! Put it away, we know you did it! Okay, Shane, Fibana Air Sira. Problems on holiday.
Hello, good afternoon, and you're very welcome to Live Line.
Gaelga a leir mis an seo ar beolí, ne?
Gaelga? Ceart galore. Rinne mar ar níhel, chur mar in Óstán nua iad le úscráda honeymoon suite agus an áisina ach bhí siad bí an Joe ag all cocktails ag an linn snába.
Bua Sophomortis Radio. A win in the radio competition.
Can't I end about it?
Come stadia.
Gone on radio. Can't stadia gone on radio.
Tablona. Ahead the tree is Mission Michael D.
Desmond!
Adams.
Chucky Arshnafta.
Hey, Bugan Iskity Kunde doing all by say on or the Daniel O'Donnell.
Neil Michigan no water.
I thought it was great. A lot of the songs were really funny, especially Broach Air School, and some of the vocab they used was new to me, and it really stick in my mind because they were acting it out.
I thought it was great help, and the lads were really funny, and they presented it really well, and especially with the oral test now in about 3 weeks, so it's been a great help for us, and hopefully now things will go right for us during the summer.
I thought it was brilliant. I thought it was very funny and an innovative way to revise the traffic theory because there's 20 of them, so there can be a lot to revise.